This How to 1 Minute will show you how to add Blogger to Google Search Console. Follow this easy and step-by-step guide to add your Blogger site to Google Console. First of all, open your browser and type Google Search Console and open Google Search Console. And now select here your Google account to sign in. Enter here your Google account password. Now click on Add Property. Add Property. Select URL prefix and you have to enter here your blog site URL. So go to your blog site and copy your blog site URL and paste it here. Click on Continue. Once it's verified, click on Go to Property. Now we need to add our XML here. So click on Sitemaps and here write sitemap.xml and click on Submit. Now our blog site has been successfully added to Google Search Console. Go to Overview and here you will get your website performance. You can also go to the performance section and from here you can change date and time range to see your website performance. So this is how we can add Blogger to Google Search Console. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe How to 1 Minute. See you in the next video.